Hey kids, what's up? Hope you're having a good day. Better watching this video right now. As you can see, we are at the Rainforest Cafe.
Walk around and look if you want.
Yes, please.
Careful of other people eating.
Okay. It's like a rainforest, but in a cafe. Come on, guys. Got these. Guys, come on. Okay. Sorry. Whoa, this place is awesome. Look how pretty that is. Look, it's a unicorn fish. Oh, look, it's Dory. Whoa, the elephant's eyes blink. Whoa! My gosh. Oh yeah, there was a jaguar. Over there, who moved. I don't think he moves anymore. See if we can find a jaguar in here. I don't think so. But there's the unicorn fish. Whoa, that's creepy.
You already did your day.
You guys like whipped cream on it? I always like this.